Are you feeling stressed out about the holidays? If so, you're not alone. There's a lot of people who feel exactly the same way that you do. And the good news is you can actually de-stress and also make a lot of money off of these people. I'm going to tell you exactly how you do that. It's all coming up in my review of the Yoga 1000 plus videos PLR. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Cameron. I'm not the man with the hat. As together, we're photo pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm one of the great few people who can fall successfully. Well, me and my boy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the double if you're not new, you know by now you can skip ahead my jokes. They're still good bad, I get it, but you know what? Hey, it's the holiday season, and I get to tell my jokes, even if they're bad. Who cares? Because I like my jokes, and if you don't like them, well, that's too bad. But seriously, if you are new, what I do here is two things: I review soap and info products, and they make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? In my ask for everybody so much information that you wouldn't very much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude. Seriously. You know what? I'm going to forgive you because it's the holiday season, but really, nobody wants crap. You don't want it either. Give these poor people a break, okay? Seriously. You know, seriously, if you wait these poor if I like the product, I will give a tip. My hat's a product credit. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos involved in mindset and entrepreneurship.
Billionaire entrepreneur.
Well, thank you, Barry. That is very, very kind of you. But no, I'm not quite a billionaire entrepreneur. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
exactly. Good God, where is Liz Lemon? Anyway, seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button to the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for I believe it's called HD Yoga Training is the official name for it. I mean, I don't know. HD Yoga exercise videos with unrestricted rights. Well, that's a mouthful of a name. But basically, it's over 1,000 videos that you can actually sell, give away, use as a bonus, create your own membership site out of them, whatever you want to do with them. And these are the perfect things to de-stress after the holidays. And of course, if you want to do that, you don't just get to use them, you also get to sell them, which means you can create a whole membership site all around this. Just think about this. How many people could you sell a gift membership to as a last minute Christmas present? Okay, I mean, this would be the perfect last minute Christmas present. Imagine, you sell people a membership to a yoga website with all the yoga training that they need, okay, and you charge them, I don't know, $29.95 for the year. Okay, you can easily do that in order to be able to make a complete Christmas present, and you already double your money basically with one sale. You double your money. Okay, that is just absolutely bonkers to be able to do that, and you can do this over and over and over again. And of course, in order to make sure that this really is no-brainer for you, I'm going to throw in a few of my done for you products, which include some stuff that is going to be good for this kind of thing, the whole wellness niche. So you got biohacking secrets, you got the power of self-discipline, wired for greatness, let's see, controlling stress, and what is this one? Become the best you. Also choose to lead, and let's see, eliminate the ultimate workout plan. Okay, and also easy keto dieting. Let's see, overcome obstacles, unlock your full potential. And then beyond that, these are things that I've given away before, but when I've got this brand new that I've never given away before, there's two things actually that I really want you to have in order to make this a complete success. First of all, I'm also going to give you my shoulder training. I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own membership site in about an hour. Okay, you see me doing it step by step. I'll show you exactly what's involved in order to make it happen. Okay, so and literally the video takes about an hour as I'm talking, so probably will take you less time to do that, just because of the fact that I spend a lot of time talking and explaining things as I'm going through it. I'm also going to show you how to get domain names that are very, very valuable because they already have some authority to them, so that and some traffic coming to them, so that you can find a domain name about yoga perhaps. But what's really, really going to be valuable to you, which I've done exclusively for this particular launch, is that I'm also going to be throwing in my own sales page. Now, this is the same sales page that I personally use for all my product launches. It has made me hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales, literally hundreds of thousands in sales. You're going to get the exact same sales page. You can customize it for yourself to be able to sell this stuff. Okay, so you can be able to sell this stuff. Plus, I'm also going to hand you done for you mock-ups. Now, these are very, very valuable. Typically, when you want to buy a mock-up, okay, you can go to Fiverr and buy a mock-up. It'll cost you $30, $40, $50 to have somebody make you a mock-up. Okay, and when I say mock-ups, I'm talking about, like, you know, the thing where it's got like the fake book and the computer screen with the logo and all the other stuff on there, all that stuff. You get mock-ups that are ready to customize. It'll literally take you about 1 minute. All you got to do is paste in your logo. You don't have a logo, unless you got 300 logos. You can customize, or you can take your own logo and paste them in to these mock-ups. You're going to get 3 different kinds of mock-up. You're going to get the whole bundle mock-up with like the computer screen and the book and all the other stuff. You can just paste your logo onto it. You're also going to get a box logo, a box mock-up where you can actually, looks like a shipping box, you know, like the old software package boxes. And you're going to get a book mock-up, which looks like a book. So if you want to put together something that's about a book, you can use that as well. These are custom design mock-ups. All you're going to do is paste a logo in and put some text in. It literally takes you about 30 seconds to paste them in. I'm going to show you how to do that with free software. Those are brand new just for this launch. Plus, on top of all that, I'm also going to give you the same software that I use to build my sales pages. This is called Thrive Architect. Ordinarily, Thrive Architect is going to cost you about $90-something per year. You're going to get Thrive Architect for free from me. Yes, it is completely legal to use it. I'm going to show you why it's legal. You're going to get that included for free as well with this package, and it's going to be $17. So let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick over here. You can see here exactly what it looks like. Okay, all you're going to do is just give me a downloadable thing for all of your videos in order to get started with these yoga videos and be able to start making some serious money off of them. Again, my thing is, you know what? Take this thing, turn it into a membership site, make it a last minute Christmas present that people can buy for their family. You know, like people are running out of time because as I'm recording this, it's December 11th. Christmas, of course, is in about 2 weeks. And, you know, sometimes shipping delays, things don't get there in time. What's going to get there in time is a gift membership to a yoga membership site that helps people de-stress. And you can sell this for $29.95, $39.95, $49.95 easily over and over again and make a ton of money out of this thing. This is probably the easiest way to make money right now as we approach Christmas. And of course, Hanukkah, if you're celebrating Hanukkah, is going to be on the 18th of this year. So that's coming even closer. But again, if you want to get somebody a Hanukkah present, you can do that as well. I think Eid al-Fitr is coming as well. I know that it very often falls around this time, which is the Muslim holiday. And Kwanzaa, of course, is around this time as well. All these winter holidays come around the same time. Eid al-Fitr kind of fluctuates because the Muslim calendar is a little bit different than the Jewish and Gregorian calendars. The Jewish and Gregorian calendars, you know, are roughly the same amount at the same time, not exactly the same, but typically within a couple of weeks of each other. That's why Hanukkah and Christmas always come out around the same time. And Kwanzaa, of course, goes based on the Gregorian calendar, which is our common calendar. The Muslim calendar is a bit different, but I know that Eid al-Fitr, which is a famous Muslim holiday, happens around this time very often in Israel. In Haifa, they have what's called the Festival of Festivals around this time, where they actually celebrate Eid al-Fitr, Hanukkah, and Christmas, because of the fact that very often they come all around the same exact time period. And Haifa is a mixed city with Jews, Christians, and Muslims living there. So the idea was basically to celebrate all three of the great monotheistic faiths together. So it's a really cool thing when they do that kind of thing. So anyway, kind of getting off on a sidetrack, but bottom line is, let's formally see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you the man. This is great. Okay, when you can help people and also be able to make money at it, that is absolutely incredible. The guy behind me, if he wasn't a painting, he would be saying, yes, grab this as well. But he is a painting, so I'm just going to give a tip of my hat and say, yes, very, very good job. For a thousand plus videos for $17, you really can't go wrong with this. Grab this, you're going to love it.